Hello guys, welcome back to another video on It's My Pick. So guys, if you're looking to stop messages, receiving messages on Messenger, Facebook Messenger app, then you are watching the right video. So guys, follow my steps to stop receive the messages on Messenger. On top left corner, you can see the DP icon of your profile. Just click on that and come down, and you'll see an option of privacy. Click on that and you'll see this option of message delivery. Click on that guys, and you have all this option. Just turn off all this option. Just see here it says deliver request to, please select option don't receive request. Just do it for all the options and you will stop receiving a message request from Messenger app. And if this was helpful, just don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.